Hi, this is Dr. Kunka Bheemalingappa. I heartily welcome you. In this video, I am going to discuss about set in Python. Coming to the contents, these are the contents that what we are going to cover in this video. Set and its operation, creation of the set, adding elements to the set, removing the elements of the set, and set operations on the set. First of all, what do you mean by a set? Set is an unordered and unindexed. It has a group of elements that are unordered and unindexed. How to create a set? We can create a set by using curly braces. There is one more way of creating a set. It is by using the function that is a set. Let us first see how to create a set using these curly braces. If I take the name of the set as say S1, using this curly braces I have to create this set. The set can have any number of elements. So one more important property of set is that set does not allow duplicate elements. So set will have only unique elements. So I can create a set with say numbers, say 2, 5 or 4, some elements. This is the set I am creating with 4 values. You can have any type of data. Here I have created a set having only integer elements. So this is how you can create a set. So if you want to know what the type, I have given the name for this set as S1. So if you want to know the class of this identifier that is S1, you can use this type of S1 so that you can get the class name as what? That is a set. So this S1 is a set. If you want to display the contents of this set, what you can do is you can use the name of that set. Name of the set here is what? S1. So you are known what are its contents. That is 2, 4, 5, 6. Let me use the name as S2. No problem. This is a list having the elements, some common elements and different elements I can take. I can create a second list with say number 8, number 9 and with say some common elements like say 2, 6 and some other elements like say 10 or 20 like this. So this is the list. It is not a set. At first I have created a set. If you want to know the type of this identifier, you can give by using this type function, right, you can come to know the type of this class. That is S2. So this is a list. We can create a set in 2 ways. Already we have seen one way of creating a set by using this curly braces. Now we are going to look at the creation of a set using another way by using the function that is a set. So how do we create a set using this set function is as follows. Suppose if I am going to call that set as okay, say S3, using this set function. Using this set function, you can create that. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to convert this list into a set using this set function. So this is how you can create this set. Here S2 is a list whereas S3 is a set. If you want to know the type of that, you can type. You can come to know that is a type of S3. Already have seen type of S2 is a list. Here this S3 is a set we are known, but yeah, but using this type function, right, we are going to know about it. That is S3. This is how, yeah, one more bracket is missing. Yeah. So this, the type of this S3 is a set. Now I have created the set the two sets, namely S1 and S3 having some integer data. You can create a test with different types of data, no restriction on that. So this is this is the set S4. You are known what are its contents. So you can have homogeneous or heterogeneous data. So that is how you can create. If you want to create a empty set, you can create this empty set by using this set function. You can create this empty set by using this set function. For example, if I want to create, say, some empty set, say S5 with no data, then what I supposed to use? I just need to use this name of this function, that is a set without any argument. Then it is going to create an empty set. See, if you check this type of this S5, it is going to be what? An empty set. See, you have got the name of this class name for this S5 as what? That is a set. So this S5 is what? That is a set, and moreover it is an empty set, right? You are known. So if you display the content of this S5, you are not going to get any data. Just you are going to get an empty set. See, this is a set you have got, right, with no elements. This is how you can create an empty list. You don't use this curly braces for creating an empty list. If you try to create an empty set using this curly brace, what happens? You are not going to be thrown. Yeah, I'm using the name as okay S7. S7, I'm trying to create using this curly braces. You are known, you are using this curly braces for creation of this set. But you are not supposed to use this curly braces for a creation of an empty set. If you try to create set using this curly braces, instead of set, it is going to create a dictionary. Of course, I have not yet discussed about dictionary. So it has key pair elements. Let us see. See, you have not got any error. If you see the type of this, you are going to get as what? That is a dictionary. It is not going to be a dictionary. So S7. So you have to be careful. See, the class here is you have got a dictionary. So whenever you want to create some empty set, you create it using the set function. You create it using the set function. So this is how you can create sets, and we are known the sets are unordered, and moreover they are unindexed. So you cannot access the elements of a set using this index. So however, you can iterate over a set using the loops. For example, you know what is this S1? S1 you are known. These are the contents of this S1. It has 4 elements you are known. If you want to iterate over this set, you can iterate over. So how do you iterate over this set is as follows. For some iterable object, anything you can take. Let me take, say, for example, for I in set name. The name of the set here is what? S1. For I in set 1, if I say print that, yeah, I can get printed the elements of this set using this iterator. So we can even know these are the elements of this set S1, that is 2, 4, 5, 6. So you can iterate over a set, but you cannot access the elements of this set using this index. Now we are going to look at how you can add some elements to the set. This is a set already having 4 elements. If you want to add few more elements, you are available with 2 functions, namely that is add and update. Using this add, you can add only one element at a time. Using this update, you can add more than one element at a time. So let me take this same set, say S1 itself, and for this same set, if I want to add some element, then using this add function, you can add. So inside this add function, you can take as an argument the value that what you wanted to add to this set. For example, I wanted to add 8. Then this, in this way, right, you can add that item, element or value to the set. So if you now see the content of this S1, earlier there were only 4 elements. This time you are going to have 5 elements. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. So for the same set, if you want to add more than 2 elements, 2 or more elements at a time, then instead of using this function that is a add, you can use the function that is update, and as a list, you can give the list of elements that what you wanted to add to that. For example, I just wanted to add say 15 and like say 33. Then you can take that as a list, you can add. Square bracket. Yeah, this is how you can add 2 or more elements to the set. See, if you now you can verify the content of this S1 so that you can come to know. Earlier, 5 elements were there. With this, you are going to have, that is 7 elements in the S1 set. See, being this set is unordered, in what order they are going to get printed whenever you print this set, it is unpredictable. You are known that set will have unique elements. If you add to the set some existing element, already the element which is present in the list, then what will happen? Let us say, for example, 5 is already there in the list. If I try to add that 5 once again to the list, then what will happen? It has not shown any error, but when you display the content of this set, you are going to have, in fact, this 5 is not added one more time. It will be there only one time in a set. Now if you display the content of this set, then you will come to know how many times that 5 is present. Only one time. I think I understood this. So this is most important. The set doesn't allow duplicate elements. It will have unique elements. So this is how we can create a, till now we have seen creation of a set and adding 1 or more elements to a set. And also we have seen how to create empty set. Using add function, you can add only 1 element. Using this update function, you can add 2 or more elements at a time. So this is how you can add elements to a set. Now if you want to remove some elements from the set, you are available with some functions, namely that is remove, pop and discard. First let us discuss about remove and discard. So this remove it is going to remove the element what you mentioned if that element is there in the set. And if that element is not there in the set, then it is going to show an error. That is more this remove. So let us try to use this. What is the name of the function? That is S1. Right now you are known how many elements are there? Just 7 elements are there, right? Yeah. So S1 dot remove. Suppose if I mention that value what you want to get removed, say for example 33, you are known that 33 is there in this set. So what will happen? S1 dot remove 33. It has got executed successfully. So now this time if you display the content of this S1, this time you don't find that 33. See, 33 is not there in the set. And if you try to remove the element which is not there in this list, you are known just now I have removed this 33, and you are known that 33 is no more in this set. And if you mention that value which is not in the set, what will happen? Let us watch. So remove, that is 33. As I said, it is going to show an error. This is the basic difference between remove and the next function that what I am going to discuss, that is a discard. This discard also will remove the element that what you specify if that element is there in the set. In case if that element is not there in the set, then it is not going to throw an error. So that is the basic difference between. So you are known the contents of that set S1 just above you have. Now we are discussing about usage of one more function, that is discard. Yeah. Using this discard function, we try to remove the element which is there in the set. You are known that this 15 is there in the set. So that 15 it is going to get removed. You are going to be left with only 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. Let us execute this. It has got removed. So if you see the content of this S1, this time you are not going to have that 15. You are not going to have that 15. See, 2, 4, you have only 5 elements. Okay, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. So let us try to use this remove function for removal of the element which is not there in the set. You are known that, for example, I have removed this 33 and 15. If you try to remove say 33 or say 15 which is not there in the set, okay, what will happen? Let us execute this code. So I suppose to use discard, right, not remove. Yeah, already I discussed about remove. S1 dot discard, say 15. Anyhow 15 and 13, they both were not there in the set. See, it has not thrown any error. This is a basic difference between remove and discard. So using remove function, when you try to remove some element which is not there in a set, then it is going to throw an error. But using a discard, you are not going to get any error. I think you understood that. Now let me display the final content of this S1 before we proceed further. So this is how you can add and remove the elements from the set. Moving on, now we are going to discuss about some set operations that what you can carry out on a set. In mathematics, you are known about a set, and what are the operations that you can carry out on a set in maths. That is, you can carry out the operations namely union, intersection, difference, that is minus operation, and etc. In a similar fashion, in Python also, on the set, you can perform some operations on sets. So this is a S1. I need to have one more set. Already have created some tests earlier. So I know there is a one set by name S2 or S3. I think S3. So yeah, let us see the content of that. See, these two are sets having some common and different elements. Now, what is this union operation on a set? Union, in the sense, the element that is present in one of the set, it is going to have in the result. So you can use this union in two ways. So first let us, if you want to get collected that into some variable, you can collect. Otherwise, directly you can print. For example, the names of the sets are here what? S1 and S3. These are the names of the sets. So between these two sets, I want to perform the operation what? That is a union. So this is the operator that what you can use for union. That is pipe symbol. So print S1 union S3. So it is going to remove the duplicate elements from the set S1 and S3, and it is going to retain only distinct elements from S1 and S3. We say that is either X belongs to S1 or X belongs to S3, but not belongs to both. So let us execute this. So you know what are the common elements here? 2, 6, 8 are common elements. So you are going to get this 2, 6, 8 as only one time in the result, and rest of the elements, they are different. You are going to get as it is. That is 4, 5, 10. Okay, so let us execute this. See, this is what you got: 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. You are going to have common elements, that is only once here. You are known what are the common elements, and you are going to get distinct elements as it is from both the sets. So this is what the union operation. You can also perform this union operation in another way. That is using this, the name of the set here is what? S1 dot. This is most important usage of this dot. Name of the operation is, that is union. So union, you can mention that other set. The other set here is what? S3. Of course, right, you are going to get same result, but this is the other way of finding the union of two sets. See, same results you have got, but I have performed that operation in different ways. I think I understood this. So in a similar fashion, this is what about union. In a similar fashion, you can have other operation, namely say there is intersection. So the names of the sets here are what? S1 and S3, you are known their content. You are known, they have three common elements, right? They are 2, 6, 8. So the first set is what? S1, and the second set is what? S3. Yeah, this is the operator that you have to use. The name of the set is S3. So you know what you are getting. 2, 6, 8 are common, you are known. So the order is unpredictable. I will I think I forgot to discuss about pop function with respect to, that is removing the elements. Yeah, I will come back to that. Yeah, see, this is how right you can perform the intersection operation of both the sets. The order doesn't matter with respect to this union or intersection. Here I have taken S1 intersection S3. You can also take say S3 intersection S1. The result is going to be the same. So the other way of performing this intersection operations on a set is this intersection, using this name, that is intersection. The name of the other set is what? S1. Same result, right, you are going to get. One more parenthesis I have to close. Yeah. See, 826. Same result, of course, I have got. The order doesn't matter here. In a similar fashion, we can have difference operation, that is A minus B, or say okay, B minus B, if there are say two sets. Of course, here two sets are S1 and S3. You know, what do you mean by this? Okay, A minus B. X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. That is A minus B. Right? So, we will try to carry out this difference operation on the two sets. You know the names of the two sets are S1 and, but with respect to this difference operation, the order is most important. Whether it is S1 minus S3 or say S3 minus S1. Accordingly, the results are going to get okay varied. So now we are performing, that is S1 minus, that is the difference operation, minus. So for clarity, I am giving the space also. The name of the second set is S3. S1 minus S3. So if there are any S3 elements in the S1, they are going to get removed. In the sense, common elements, they are going to get removed. And the remaining elements of that set S1, it is going to print. You know what are the remaining elements. Common elements are 268. So if you remove this 268 from S1, you are left with okay 4y. So let us see what it is going to print. So it has got printed, that is 4-5. I think I understood this. In a similar fashion, if you perform say S3 minus, so for you have seen union operation, usage of union operation in two ways, and also intersection operation in two ways. In the same fashion, we can perform this difference operation in two ways. One with the operator, that is minus, and other one is this difference. Difference of S1, that is S3 minus S1. Close this. Right? You know what is this S3 and what is S1. So these are the contents of this S3. These are contents of S1. Your known common elements are 268. So from S3, if this 268 get removed, then you are left with 9, 10. So there is a reason you have got the difference of this S3 and S1 as okay 9, 10. So I forgot to discuss about that okay pop function with respect to this set. So using this pop function, right, you can remove the element of a set you are known, right? So what is the name of the set? S1. So pop. You are known what are the elements of this set S1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So using this function, some random element it is going to get deleted from the set. It cannot be predicted. It is unpredictable. Which element it is going to get removed using this okay S1. So it is going to return that element what it has got removed. That is 2 is the element that it has got removed. Right? So if you print this content of this S1, earlier there were 5 elements, okay, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. 2 got removed. Now you are left with only 4 elements. Right? So S1. Print S1. So this time you are not going to find that 2. Right? Yeah. So it is unpredictable, right? Which element it is going to get removed. Suppose if I use this okay pop function with respect to this list, the default argument it is going to get removed is the last element in the list. But with respect to this set, it is okay unpredictable. So but it is going to return, you can come to know that. So that is, this time it has removed, okay, 4, right? So print S1. So this time you are not going to have that 4 in the set. You have only, okay, 5, 6, 8. So this is, what about this, okay, set? Coming back. So in this video I discussed about what is a set, how to create a set, how to access the elements of a set. In fact, being this set is unordered, you cannot access the elements using index, but you can iterate over a set using the loop. And we also have seen adding the elements to a set and removing some elements from the set, and we have seen some operations on set. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you a good day.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.